Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings and Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today is There's a Card Thursday. Today I want to show you one of the stamp sets out of the mini catalog. We're going to use Timeless Tropics, and this is the card I made. Now, I'm kind of still not satisfied with the background. I made my own designer series paper, One Sheet Wonder. I took an 8.5 by 11.5 piece of Whisper White. And what I did was I took the large one and the small one, and used both of these and the leaf to make the One Sheet Wonder. I used Daffodil Delight, Grapefruit Grove, Melody, Mango Melody, Pear, Pizzazz, and Old Olive. Then what I did was I mixed up some shimmer paint, alcohol, and Pool Party and sprayed the background. I think I'd like to spray it a little more, get it a little darker. I think it's still too white. Okay, but that's, we're going to be using that. So what have I used? First of all, we're using the Timeless Tropical stamp set. For ink, other than the ink I used for the One Sheet Wonder, we are going to use Mango Melody, Grapefruit Grove, and we are going to be using Grapefruit Grove Refill ink pad, okay? We are also going to be using, let's see, Grapefruit Grove 8.5 by 5.5. We are also going to be using a bit of Grapefruit Grove to do one of the second to the largest scalloped layered circle punches. We are also about an 4.25 by 5.5 piece. You can get 2 sets of these of Daffodil Delight, and then you need the 8.5 by 11 piece of Whisper White. What else we're going to be using is, of course, glue dots and Stampin' Dimensionals. I am using the layered circle dies, and I am also using the In the Tropics die set that's in the bundle with the, it's got the pineapple. It's in the bundle with the Timeless Tropical stamp set. Okay? So first thing I am going to do is I am just going to make this a card base. Okay? Then I am going to cut down my piece of a quarter of the piece of Whisper White background I have made. There we go. And I am going to do 4 inches. And this doesn't have it. This is the little new mark. I buy 5.25. Okay, by 5.25. There we go. Okay, and I'm just going to attach that with glue dots. Okay. So let's bring this, and I'm just going to attach it with glue dots. Oh, I'm also using the aqua painter, and I'm using a 3x3 piece of watercolor paper. I forgot all about I watercolor that. Okay, and so I am just going to attach that. Okay, now I'm going to grab the watercolor paper, and I am going to, the large one, I am going to first of all ink this up with Mango Melody, okay? Because Mango Melody is a little bit darker than Grapefruit Grove. And I'm just going to stamp it just like that. Okay. Now I'm just going to put that aside. So let me clean this. These get really, this is like, oh, what is it called, the stamp set, where it makes 3D. Okay. And then I am going to take just one drop, because I'm only doing, of Grapefruit Grove, and sticking it on there. Okay. I'm going to put a little water in it. And then I am going to watercolor Mango Melody, okay? I don't want it too dark. Okay, there we go. Clean that off. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I am going to go over to the Big Shot and I am going to, there we go, I'm going to cut this out, okay? I am also going, oh, and I'm going to use Pretty Label Punch. Forgot all about the Pretty Label Punch. I am going to then, I've got this cut out already. I am also then going to cut out a large one from Grapefruit Grove and the third to the largest one out of the Daffodil Delight. I've already done that. Okay. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to attach these, where's my Stampin' Dimensionals, together with Stampin' Dimensionals. Okay. And put a couple on here. There. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to take some glue dots and attach this to the card front. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the thank you and I am going to take the Grapefruit Grove and I am going to stamp the thank you on the Daffodil Delight. And I am just going to punch this out with the Pretty Label Punch, okay? There you go. And I'm just going to attach, sorry, I'm going to attach that. There you have it. Quick, easy. Let's bring that down. Great card. Again, I think I would put a little more blue on the One Sheet Wonder, but there you have it. So thanks for, oh, follow me on YouTube. Everything you need is below. Please purchase from me. I would appreciate it if you like my videos, so I can continue making them. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.